Strong anticipation over OpenAI's IPO is putting the spotlight on its finances, and we have Sarah Al-Khaldi joining us here to talk more about that. Sarah, so OpenAI opened the door to generative AI with ChatGPT, but with its expected listing, investors are now looking at the math, right?
Yeah, that's right, because the question is, can OpenAI monetize demand? So while people are using ChatGPT, are they actually paying for it? And we have to remember that OpenAI and its rivals, they're paying so much money to build AI infrastructure. So last year, OpenAI shifted to more enterprise customers, business demand, which is seen as more financially sustainable in the long term. So at the ATxSummit, I spoke to Denise Dresser. She's OpenAI's Chief Revenue Officer about how they're cashing in on this demand.
What we see with enterprise transformation, moving from just ChatGPT to Codex into truly an agentic platform, we really see an incredible amount of demand. Our enterprise business today is 40% of our company revenue, and we expect it to be 50% by the end of the year. And it's really, I think, a sign of companies moving from just having productivity as an objective for AI to true transformation, and then that demand is really a vertical wall of demand across enterprises.
There was one report that spooked markets about, OpenAI allegedly missing revenue targets, lower user growth, and people are wondering now whether consumers are, expecting AI to be free at this point. So how do you address those worries about growth and having it monetized?
Yes, well, as the CRO of OpenAI, I can tell you I'm very busy. So we see the demand is really, as I said, this transformation from productivity to true transformation of industries. We think about just the continued evolution of AI across the industry, and it's just continuing to grow, and we're really excited about the continued execution around AI.
So the focus now for investors will be the valuation of this potential listing from OpenAI, and they'll be weighing the company's revenue with this massive spending that they're doing.
Notably so, with this grand debut up for the market. We'll see how it goes. Thank you so much. That was Sarah Al-Khaldi.